Hey folks, John Ferguson Smart here. A few people have been asking me what is the biggest advantage I see in adopting a BDD process. Now, behaviour driven development, what I'm talking about is a collaboration process. It's where the teams come together, or the team, sometimes the teams as a whole. When you're doing microservices, it can be across multiple teams, or at the minimum, people within the team come together and talk to business folk about the requirements, about the outcomes they need, about examples and counterexamples and edge cases of the user journeys, of the business rules that they are trying to implement. Now, the biggest advantage of this approach is not that you get test automation at the end. You might, but that's kind of a bonus. The biggest advantage is actually a non-tangible. It's engagement. You get these really engaged, passionate teams when you practice BDD properly, when you get them having the proper conversations, because it's the conversations that drive the engagement. BDD is a way of structuring and organizing and guiding those conversations and getting the right information and making them feel valuable and making them feel effective, because you can have conversations, but if they're not structured and they're not effective, then you're kind of wasting your time. But if you can organize those meetings, organize those discussions, those conversations so that they are effective, so that everyone involved feels engaged, feels empowered, feels like they're not wasting their time. And then once they go into work, they get a much clearer picture of what they are trying to deliver. And then they can deliver what they actually said they were going to deliver. And the business folk actually see the direct relationship. No more traceability matrices, because it's all built in. You automatically get that traceability between what you deliver, what the outcomes are, and what the business actually asks for. So that is what I find is the biggest advantage of BDD. It's not anything to do with test automation or anything like that. It's that you get more engaged, more passionate, more effective teams. And after all, isn't that what Agile is all about? Leave your thoughts in the comments. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for listening.